So welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Cotswold Biker. And today we're going to do an unboxing and show you an exhaust, a slip-on exhaust, which I've purchased for the NC750X, which is a 2021 model. And this exhaust is from GRMoto, a UK company. And it didn't cost a great deal, I have to say. We got a good discount using a discount code via eBay. So a surprisingly good value slip-on. It is just a slip-on, not a whole system. And I'm told it accommodates the centre stand, which is great because I've got one. So without further ado, I'm going to do an unboxing. Hopefully I won't damage anything by doing that. But it's been very well packed, and the exhaust came from DPD, so they were delivered by DPD, which is a very, very good, reliable delivery company. So this is just the unboxing. So I'm not sure what's in this box, but I'll just take the boxes out and then we can have a little look at what these individual boxes contain. I'd imagine that's the silencer itself. Okay. Well, lots and lots of boxes and bits and pieces here. So the price I got this exhaust for was £183 with a discount, which is incredible. The exhaust was up for about £229. That looks like the exhaust to me. As carefully as possible. It's nice and tight. I have to say, it's beautifully packed. What a beautiful packing. Now this, I can tell you now, is considerably lighter in weight than the stock exhaust on the motorbike. And there is the exhaust. What an amazing piece of equipment. It comes with a road legal baffle in it, which you can remove, presumably by taking this grommet out here. And then you would obviously remove it with this a little screw will come out. But I'm not sure I'll need to, because to me, that is beautifully finished. So we'll set that down there. And see what else we've got. So I thought that's what I saw in the box, and I'm shocked. They've actually supplied you with a pair of work gloves so that you can work with fitting the exhaust as well. Now that's an amazing touch. Very nice little touch, that is. It's incredible, isn't it? So yeah, you've got some mechanics gloves here. That came with the exhaust. And here we have the all-important hopefully, what's that? Oh, it's the bolt. Okay. So here we go. This is the link pipe. Yeah. So that looks okay. But that's important bit there is going to be to stop the old centre stand from hitting the chain. And obviously in there we've got the bolt. Okie dokie. Right. We've also been given some exhaust assembly paste. So that comes with it as well. Isn't that beautifully presented? So there's the bracket. Not sure what that's. Okay, and another, yeah, bracket part there. And then some bolts. Okay, now the instructions, when you get an email from GRMoto, they offer the instructions, even comes with the Allen key. Can't believe that. They do give you the instructions, obviously goes in there. But I think you'll agree that that is just beautifully presented. So what else is in here? A surprise inside. Right. I'm guessing this is going to be a buff. Oh no, gosh, that's incredible. So that is quite something. So you get a carbon fibre card of some kind, not sure what that's for. You get, oh right, okay, and that's a cylinder cover for your master cylinder. Not sure what those are. But then you get a tank protector. If you've got a bike like a sports bike or something, there is a tank protector. That's incredible. And you get a key fob. I'm not sure what that's to do with. Not sure what those are. And a little screwdriver. So we've got all sorts of little goodies in here. So you get a little goodie box. That's incredible. So not only do you get the gloves, but you get a goodie box as well. That is beautifully made. That is a remarkable piece of engineering. Well done, GRMoto. The size difference is rather obvious. 3.5 kilograms, that is. Now, $1.3. So there we are, 1.3 against 3.5 kilograms. There you go, 1.3. And it flashed up really quickly, but what a difference. This is the exhaust fitted, and it looks, I think you'll agree, absolutely amazing, and looks good with the bike. Beautiful, in fact. Really quite something. So that probably needs to be a narrower piece of metal there, and a little bit further forwards to hit that perfectly on the centre. But it's a nitpick because it does work. It does work. And all in all, I think we'll all agree that really does look superb. And the sound check.